Long before modern medicine, before laboratories and pills, humans turned to plants, not just for nourishment, but for healing. The forest was once our pharmacy, the garden our medicine cabinet. Every leaf, every root, every flower carried a message, a wisdom written by nature herself. Today we often forget this quiet intelligence. We trust what's bottled, labeled, and sold more than what grows freely under the sun. Yet, nature continues to whisper, "I can heal you if only you listen." In this talk, we'll explore 5 of the most powerful herbs for everyday health, not exotic or rare, but humble plants you may already know. Each one is a teacher, a healer, and a reminder that the cure doesn't always come from a pharmacy. Sometimes it comes from the soil beneath your feet. Choice 1, Holy Basil, Tulsi, the sacred protector, known as the Queen of Herbs. Tulsi has been revered in Ayurveda for over 5,000 years. It's more than a plant. It's a symbol of purity, protection, and balance. In Sanskrit, Tulsi means the incomparable one. And truly, it is. Tulsi strengthens the immune system, clears the lungs, balances hormones, and reduces inflammation. Its secret lies in its adaptogenic power, meaning it helps the body adapt to stress. When life becomes overwhelming, Tulsi calms your mind, lowers cortisol levels, and restores balance. A cup of Tulsi tea every morning is like giving your body armor, a shield against infection, fatigue, and emotional stress. It's especially helpful for respiratory issues, coughs, colds, and seasonal allergies. Tulsi opens the airways and purifies the breath, which is why it's often called the breath of life. In spiritual terms, Tulsi heals not just the body, but the heart. It clears emotional toxins, anxiety, fear, tension, and replaces them with calm awareness. When you care for a Tulsi plant, it cares for you. Place one near your home, water it daily, and sit beside it for a moment of peace. Tulsi teaches us this truth. Real health begins in stillness, not struggle. 2. Turmeric, the golden healer. If there is one herb that deserves a place in every kitchen and medicine box, it is turmeric, nature's golden gift. For centuries it has been used in India, China, and the Middle East to treat wounds, infections, pain, and fatigue. Its secret ingredient, curcumin, is one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds ever discovered. It fights the root cause of most chronic diseases, inflammation, which lies behind arthritis, heart problems, diabetes, and even low mood. A small pinch of turmeric in warm milk, or mixed in tea with black pepper, is enough to awaken its healing magic. Black pepper helps the body absorb curcumin 20 times better. A perfect example of how nature works in harmony. Turmeric also supports liver detoxification, cleansing the blood, improving digestion, and brightening the skin from within. But its healing goes deeper. Turmeric restores the inner fire, the energy that drives both body and spirit. Say it's the warmth that says, you can heal, you can rise, you can renew. Use it daily, in your meals, teas, or even as a face mask, and let its golden light flow through you. 3. Ginger. The root of vitality. Ginger is a humble root with extraordinary power. It stimulates, warms, and awakens the entire system, from digestion to circulation to immunity. When you feel tired, nauseous, or sluggish, ginger acts as an inner spark. It improves digestion by boosting enzymes, relieves nausea, reduces muscle pain, and enhances blood flow. For colds, sore throats, or flu, ginger tea is the ultimate natural remedy. It opens blocked sinuses, eases cough, and soothes inflammation. Combine it with honey and lemon, and you have one of the world's most ancient immune tonics. Beyond the body, ginger symbolizes courage and clarity. It fires up your willpower, helping you move through emotional stagnation. When you feel stuck, ginger brings warmth and movement again. You can use it fresh, dried, powdered, or juiced. Each form carries a slightly different vibration, but the same message: stay warm, stay alive, stay strong. Ginger teaches resilience, that even in the coldest storms, the fire within can keep you alive. 5. Aloe Vera, the plant of immortality. The Egyptians called aloe vera the plant of immortality, and for good reason. It's one of nature's most versatile healers, soothing, cooling, cleansing, and deeply restorative. Cut open its leaf, and you'll find a gel rich in enzymes. amino acids and vitamins, applied to the skin. It heals burns, acne, rashes, and wounds. Taken internally, it cleanses the digestive tract, balances stomach acid, and helps with constipation or ulcers. Aloe is also an immune enhancer. It supports detoxification, lowers inflammation, and hydrates the body from within. But there's something spiritual about aloe vera's energy. It teaches graceful strength. It holds water through long droughts, thrives under harsh sun, and yet remains tender and healing. It reminds us that resilience doesn't mean hardness. It means staying soft enough to heal, even after being hurt. Drink a tablespoon of fresh aloe gel mixed with water or juice a few times a week, and you'll feel its cooling energy flow through your system. 5. Peppermint. The breath of fresh energy. Peppermint is like nature's instant refresh button. Cool, bright and awakening. It clears the mind, relieves headaches and revitalizes the senses. The menthol in peppermint relaxes muscles, soothes the digestive tract, and opens the lungs, making it excellent for indigestion, colds, and sinus congestion. A simple cup of peppermint tea after a meal can work wonders, reducing bloating, calming nausea, and improving mental clarity. Its cooling effect also reduces fevers and body heat, bringing calm to both the body and mind. Peppermint oil, when diffused or applied diluted on temples, relieves migraines and mental fatigue. It's like a deep breath of nature itself, restoring clarity when your thoughts are heavy. Spiritually, peppermint represents renewal and purification. It reminds us to release old energy, breathe deeply, and invite freshness into our life again. In every breath, peppermint whispers, let go, begin again. Look around you, healing is everywhere, in your kitchen, your garden, your cup of tea. Nature's pharmacy is alive and waiting. Tulsi calms the spirit, turmeric heals inflammation. Ginger restores vitality. Aloe soothes and purifies. Peppermint refreshes body and mind. Each of these herbs doesn't just heal illness, they teach us how to live in balance. Modern science may isolate compounds and create pills, but nature offers wholeness, the synergy of all things working together, and that is the essence of true healing. So before reaching for a chemical cure, reach for the earth, plant these herbs, nurture them, and let them nurture you. Because when you heal with nature, you're not just curing the body, you're remembering your connection to the very source of life itself.